Welcome to DJ Sports. We've just acquired this lovely little BMW 420 diesel coupe M Sport. It's got some nice added M Performance body kit styling on it. Gloss black alloy wheels. Rear's lovely condition. Got a nice little high level rear spoiler there. It's got the bigger, deeper diffuser with the twin exhaust coming out. Rear park distance control. As you can see, very nice example. Boot area is all lovely. Got electric windows to the front. Full leather interior. Auto headlights. Just start it up. So it's automatic as well. Got the different driving modes. It's done 102,814 miles. It's got satellite navigation, park distance control front and rear, Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack. All there. Full iDrive system. Aux and a USB. M Performance. Nice leather steering wheel, but really is in its mileage. It's got a lot of extras on it. It's in lovely condition. All heated seats as well, 3-stage heated seats, air conditioning. At DJH provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.